Let's see how you can install pip and install Python packages using pip. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. Here, scroll down, and here you will see that there are three options here: one for Linux, one for Mac, and one for Windows. Okay, above this you'll see get pip.py. Now you need to download the script. All right, so click on this and it might be downloaded, or you will see something like this. So if you see something like that, just right click on this link and click on save link as, and just click on save. Now you need to remember where you downloaded this, because this is the file, or this is the script that we will use to install pip. I have downloaded this in downloads, so click on save. Now go to downloads or wherever you have downloaded that file and open command prompt here, or in any other directory where you have downloaded get pip.py file. And now you must have Python installed. All right, so check if Python is installed in your system. If Python is installed, just run this command, python get pip.py. Okay, if Python is not installed, check the link in the description below. It will show you how you can install Python. And now you just need to run the command according to your OS. Now it says py get pip.py in Windows. What you can do is you can just run py or Python, the whole thing in Windows too. Does not matter. Okay, so regardless of your OS, just enter this command and pip will be installed in your system. Now just installing pip is not enough. You need to add pip to your environment variable so that you can actually access pip from terminal and you can install packages. So once the installation is complete, you need to find out where pip was installed. By default in Windows, pip is installed in app data. So go to your Explorer, go to your C drive. Inside C drive, go to users, go to your current users, and then search for app data. This file is hidden in Windows by default, so you might have to click on view, hover over show, and click on hidden items. And app data will be visible after doing that. Now go inside app data. Inside local, there is a folder called programs. Go inside programs, and here you will see Python. Go inside Python. Now I have multiple Python versions installed. So I just installed pip for this one because this was the one that was added to environment variables. You might only have one Python here, okay, not these many versions. So go to the Python version that you have in your Python folder, go inside scripts, and here you will see pip.exe because we just installed it. Now copy this and go to environment variables. Here double click on path in the bottom, just click on new and paste the path. Okay, click on OK, click on OK again, and now you can open terminal and run your pip commands. So you can install Python packages like pip install and then your package name like NumPy or any other package, and the installation will start. So this is how you can download and install pip. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.